Mark Denholm at breakfast. Atom Radio.
TikTokers are covering themselves in onions to beat persistent coughs. This is a new trend. And apparently, if you place onions on your chest, it will get rid of a stubborn cough. I think it'll just make you look silly. I really do. I don't see how placing an onion on your chest is going to make you get rid of a sudden cough. Although what it probably will do is make you look silly and also make you cry. Got Genesis, Jesus He Knows Me on the way after the travel update.
Streaming from Slough.
Atom Radio.
Atom Radio. Mark Denholm at breakfast. Atom Radio.